everybody, Tim here, President Domum, and standing here in Paradise, California, actually with Rachel back there. We just got here to a project site. We're really happy to be able to help one of the families who lost their home here. And there's just nothing left, which is crazy, and I think this is them pulling up here. But you can see here we've got all the lots have been cleared. There's some hydro seeding back here that's been done. And it's just really stunning driving through here and coming into town, not so much for what is here, but what isn't. None of the charred remains of the city, none of the burned out shells of houses. When I was in Santa Rosa, shortly after those fires, the devastation was just tragic, and you could see everything around you. Here, it's almost like we're just back in the forest, and there's really nothing here. You can see here they've hydro-seeded this lot down here. It's been greened over, but it's like the city's just gone back to nature, or the town, and now we get to carve it out and rebuild. And you can see there is some activity back here, over there. So, okay, well, we're gonna go meet with the family. We're walking the site for the first time. We've been talking about what their house was like and what they need to put back there. And today we're doing a site observation and checking out what's here and get them back into their homes.
That came down to here, and then open, like almost kind of an island,
right, yeah,
that would come here. Okay, so then this would walk in.
Okay, so Rachel, we're leaving Paradise,
yes,
and we just spent some time on the project site with the family and got to hear them reminisce and remember what was there. Grandpa, he built the house back in whenever, and now a while ago, long time ago, and he said he bought the lot for $25,000.
Yeah, $25,000. The house was paid off. He built it himself. John, the client, grew up there. So listening to him kind of hear or tell childhood stories of that house.
Yeah, I mean it's sad, but on the other hand, they're determined to rebuild, and John wants to carry on the legacy of the house that his father started, and hopefully pass it down to his own kids. As we're leaving on the west side of Paradise, and there's definitely a lot more devastation and places that haven't been cleaned up yet. We came on the east side, and most of those lots were all cleaned up and cleared, but the west side there's still a lot. What's amazing is how far the fire spread. You were saying how many structures were destroyed in the campfire?
Almost 19,000.
Yeah, 19,000 structures destroyed, which is just a staggering number. I'm going to change lanes here. Hit pause on the recording. So we're using the Tesla self-driving, but for whatever reason I didn't want to change lanes right there. Okay, back to self-driving mode. So driver assist. The car takes these turns, no problem. Yeah. So what are your thoughts having driven through Paradise and seen everything?
Just kind of crazy about deciding, do you move back? Do you not move back? What do you do? So it's kind of nice to have a client that's willing to move back and wanting to rebuild when kind of everyone around him is either selling their land, if the house did survive, selling the house, and it sounds like people are kind of moving away from this area, but to have somebody that wants to move back and continue a life up here is nice to hear.
Yeah, it's a great story of just hope and rebuilding and determination in the face face of horrible devastation. It's been a year, almost a year since the fire, and they've been they relocated to Rockland, which is how we connected with them. And there isn't much. I mean, there's still a lot of work to do. We saw two structures that look like they were under construction, maybe 3, but there's still 18,997 to go.
A lot of stuff that still needs to be rebuilt.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that's it for today's video. And if you have a project you'd like us to help you with, feel free to give us a call, and we'll give you our take on it. You can sign up for a free 30-minute project consultation call in the link below, and project coaching call. And it'll be either actually Rachel or myself, depending on your project, and we'll walk you through kind of the overall steps and how to get going. And then hopefully your story isn't as tragic as the Paradise Fire story, but every project for us is important, and we will we'll take it on and help you realize your dream. Okay, so until next time, this is Tim and Rachel. With Domum. Oh, you're supposed to say that at the same time.
Oh,
with
Domum.